Or just look straight out.
Perché io non vedo tutto
Così tanto che mi manca ma così tanto che mi manca
Pensavate voi?
Vabbè, così tanto che mi manca il piatto.
Ma puoi scegliere.
Ma tu stai
guardare giù.
Mamma ci pensi che era aperto sotto al pavimento?
Guarda, sai che facesse a cango a panduinati,
Ti sono da mangiare.
Oh, no. Come stiamo questo quadro che sta accanto?
No, direi che passiamo della cosa.
Hai visto un fuori?
Che bello.
Oh, perché le
No, Madonna mia.
Unfortunately, it's a little bit of a limit. Yeah, time to come, so I'll take it. But yeah, totally. Yeah. There's still, it's sort of it's like a fun scavenger hunt to figure out what is still open and what is good. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It works. It works. On the first floor. First floor is fun. In the winter, they have an ice skating rink on the first floor. But for now, they have a crystal glass floor where you can walk around if you're not afraid of the heights. Be careful if you're wearing a dress or a skirt because it's a crystal glass floor. But there's also a museum around the perimeter of the first floor, and there's also fun cafes and restaurants.
Mesdames et messieurs, nous arrivons au deuxième étage, s'il vous plaît, tout le monde descend. Vous devez changer d'ascenseur pour le sommet. This is the second floor, please everybody stop here, you have to switch me for the top.
C'est ça. Attends, 001, 002.
Essaye 9.
Voilà.
C'est un esprit du puissant.